So I just got back from hanging out with the family, and guess what? I've got in the mail the Gabrielle Union icon box. Money shot. What? What is this? Okay. I see a little. Okay. This is like the stuff that excites me more than the products, like the promo they do for it, like their whole like what they curate, like that is what you're paying for. You're not actually paying for the products, you're paying for this experience of opening this. Like, look at this, magnificent. It has like a little like, this would be really good for like, we will ponder. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So the first item I got is the Dr. Jart correcting solution. It's alright, but like, this fucking thing, like, this is my skin, like, I got the Makeup Forever mascara, I think this is the mascara, yes. I needed a new mascara because like I look absolutely like, this is gonna be after I heal this fucking treachery to the earth, you know, like, ow. What is this? Beauty Stat triple plump coconut milk serum. Interesting. Beauty Stat. Should we open it? I don't want to open it. I've never heard of this brand, but packaging looks pretty cute. Oh, and they have a little, yes, they have a little Ron's chemist tip for precise dispensing. Interesting. So it's like actually like a dermatologist. Okay, they like, the marketing is very like dermatologist recommended, like that kind of thing, like Beauty Stat. What's the stats though? Like, I got grid paper and the thing. Like, okay, I see you. Next thing I got, LYS. Setting spray. I needed setting spray. The setting spray I got at TJ Maxx. This is like alright, but like it's too hard when you like, it spritzes way too much, you know? Wait, let's try this one though. Okay. Spray test. Oh, it's ours. Oh. This is a look I did with the LYS setting spray. It's been lasting for like 3 hours. I slept in this.
Aww.
Not bad. LYS Beauty setting spray. Oh my god, IPSY, I will use that. So many products. This is like, y'all, this is crazy. They literally read my mind or something. I knew what I needed.
Next, what's this? Oh my god, a face cleanser? Okay.
I need a face cleanser. Like, I don't really use face cleanser like that. I use like the one, like Curology one. Origin sunscreen. But like any like, they call it like chemical like sunscreen is kind of like this. So now we have 2 more products left. Oh, eye cream. I do need eye cream. I will use this ice cream because my dark circles are pretty darn heavy. They're not that visible right now, but like, trust, like, when it comes to the PMs, okay, so here it is. Okay, oh, wow, it's beautiful. This is crazy. So I'm assuming there's like, okay, this is step 1. Oh my god, apply this real quick. This is gonna be step 2. Here's the absolutely insane difference. And that's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I have like really short lashes too. Oh my god. Last product. I don't care. It's a NARS product! In the shade. What is this? Oh wow. It's like cute though. My mom, her opinions and thoughts and thinks and thoughts. Promo for Gabrielle Union. Okay, let me show you insides. So the products that I got from here is the LIS setting spray. From Face Love, I got the Makeup Forever mascara. That mascara is so good. I don't know if you can see my lashes right now, but like I didn't apply it to this one, but I did to this one. Like, isn't that crazy? I know I have really short lashes, but I was amazed. This is okay. From this Glow From Within, I got the Beauty Stat, and also the eye cream by. What is it called? The Retinol eye cream by First Aid Beauty. Okay, and we have beautiful pictures of Gabrielle Union. And from this last section, I got the Dr. Jart for Perfection Solution face mask. My skin got red after the face mask. It's crazy.